Welcome back to the channel, guys, and absolutely those beautiful, lovely lady subscribers. Thanks for coming back for another video. You know where we are. We're at Simple Customs. We're gonna open up a super treasure hunt after I let the dogs out. Come on, dogs. Come on. It's a beautiful day here in beautiful Simpsonville, South Carolina. There's the dogs. Doggy dogs. Get the doggies out. Got the vegetables growing. Let's go take a look at the vegetables. Got the strawberries growing. Got the cucumbers growing. Got the tomatoes starting to rise. Gotta give them some water today and getting kind of dry. May hit them with the water. There's the Roddy. Hi, Roddy. Hey, Luna. There's Piper. There's Piper playing with the ball. Piper playing with the ball. Got the sweet potatoes starting to grow. Starting sweet potatoes. Nice. Going in the hot tub later. Let's go open a super treasure hunt. So we got a super treasure hunt right there. Let's take a good look at it. Ugh. The super treasure hunt. Let's open it. Let's rip it. Let's rip it. Let's rip it. So much sun over there. I'm not Mustang Hunter. Okay, gotta put the phone down. Let's rip it. How do you open up a super treasure hunt with one arm? This is how you do it, right? Like this, ladies and gentlemen. Then you take out the car, you lift it up, and you throw it away like that. Oh, is that a beautiful thing? Oh, it's retro flame paint, nice. That's what it's all about. It's not about leaving these cars in the package. It's about enjoying, feeling, looking. Right here, look, see? Nice. It's about enjoying the car. You gotta touch it, you gotta look at it, enjoy it. Then when you don't enjoy it no more, you pass it on to somebody else for them to enjoy it. Forget about leaving these cars in the paint. You're not getting rich over Hot Wheels, believe me. I've been doing this for 45 years. I put my pants on the same way you do. You know what I mean? I make my money on hard work and working 3 jobs when I was a kid. That's what I got. This is what I got to show for all those years. Not Hot Wheels. Because, yeah, you make $3,000 or $4,000 selling Hot Wheels. What do you do with the money? You do the same shit. You buy more stuff, right? Of course. 95% of the people never save anything. And the ones that do make money are the ones that have probably around $100,000 invested in, stores. They buy cases, and they put the money back into their business, and they have revolving credit, and that's what they live on. Revolving credit. And that's how they stay in business. That's how they survive. Their partner works, and that's how they survive. Not dumbasses out there buying, selling Hot Wheels, making $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 Because out of the $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, even $10,000, how much do they save out of it? $1,000, and then they blow that anyway. So do yourself a favor, young kids. Collect what you like. Don't let the hobby control you. You control your hobby. Keep it small. Don't chase every car in the world, because you're going to go broke. The only ones making money is Mattel. See? This is a drug. It's worse than drugs. Believe me. You don't need these. You need money. Money is more important. Go buy silver, gold. Then you're always going to get your money back and more. These, as soon as you open up the package, the value goes out the window. But $1.25, I open it up, I always get my money back. But I got this in a trade. To me, it's worth $1.25. Do the right thing. Collect what you like. Don't collect what everybody else is collecting. Don't overcrowd your room. Don't overcrowd your house. And keep it to a few castings. Yeah. Everybody likes cars, yeah. I like cars. I like all kinds of cars. I limit myself to a few castings, that's all. Because I'm not going to buy every casting. And I keep it to a handful of cars, and I don't collect every casting, just the ones I like. Simple. So, remember those rules. Keep it simple. Take it from Simple Customs. Catch you on the next one. Peace.